Hey friends, welcome back. This is Altcoin Era, and this is your boy Ahmed. And today we're going to talk about crypto, and we're going to see what's happening in the markets. Let's begin. We're going to start with Pandora. I did mention Pandora to you guys. I mentioned it to my private members club, and I also mentioned it to you. It's another green morning for Pandora. The NFT is up 15% to 13 ETH, and the token is up $300 million. It's gone up to $300 million. Remember when I mentioned it? I mentioned Pandora to you guys when it was roughly, I believe, 7,000, 8,000. I told my private members club when it was around 3,000, and it's gone up again. It's gone up a whopping since I did talk about it. It's gone up a whopping 300%. So it's gone up 3x since then. It's still going further. I think we still have some more to go. It's 300 million market cap at the moment. Could get to $1 billion. If Pandora got to $1 billion, and Tezos market cap is, as you can see, 69, it's $1 billion. If Pandora got to $1 billion, that will mean Pandora will get to $93,000. So one Pandora will cost $93,000. It has a fixed supply of 10,000 circulating supply. Total supply is 10,000. Market cap is 245 million. The next piece of news is Pedal. I've mentioned Pedal before in the past, so congratulations to everyone that's holding Pedal. The total value locked is $1 billion. It went up from $233 million on January the 1st, and now we're sitting in February the 9th, and it's got to $1 billion in total value locked. Join my private members club. You just join the website, head over to the website, pick a pricing plan, and you won't regret it. This is very cheap considering what you're going to get. Don't think twice. It's better than throwing it in the market and not knowing what you're going to do or how to do it or what you're doing or just running around blindly. I've been in the space for many cycles and many years. Trust me, you won't regret it. On to the next segment. BTC. Big green day today. BTC is currently at $47,555.54. It's currently up 5.46%. Ethereum is still on struggle street. It's $2,500.04. It's currently up 2.88%. Tether is still pegged to the dollar, and it's still $1. BNB is at $323.66. It's up 2.27%. Solana is at $105.37. It's currently up 2.59%. XRP is at 52 cents and is currently up 1.54%. ADA is at 53 cents and it's up 2.58%. Avalanche is at $37.67 and is up a whopping 6.28%. Doge is at 8 cents and it's up 1.44%. Tron is at 12 cents and it's up 0.60%. Chainlink is at $18.34 and it's up 0.57%. Polkadot is at $7.16 and it's up 2.31%. And finally, Matic is at 84 cents and it's up 0.85%. BTC price targets. It's completely invalidated the head and shoulders I was talking about previously. So I would like to apologize. I do sometimes get it wrong, but most of the times, 80% of the time, I do get it right. But it's broken this trend line and it has invalidated the head and shoulders. We formed a right shoulder, a head, and we were about to form a left shoulder. It didn't happen. Most of the time, I am right, but liquidity came back into the space, volatility came back, and I believe the reason why this is going on is primarily because of China. The stock market in China is atrocious. Let me show you the HSI stock market. Like, it is very, very bad over there. This is the Hong Kong stock market. Let me show you the weekly, and it looks very, very bad. And what's going on? A lot of big Chinese investors are moving out of the Chinese stock market, and they're entering the S&P 500. The Chinese stock market is so bad that Nvidia, just one US company, is now larger in market cap than the entire Chinese stock market, Hang Seng. So ladies and gentlemen, it's really bad in China, and people are really fearful, and they're taking their money out, putting it into the S&P 500. Here is a chart for Nvidia, if you couldn't see it clearly, but this is the chart. This is the weekly, and literally it's this stock market, this single company is larger than the whole of the Chinese stock market. It's food for thought at the moment. Maybe things are way overvalued, maybe they're not, but currently Nvidia is doing amazingly well. But we're not here for stocks, we're here for crypto. So let's continue, and let's get back to the next part. As you can see, we got to 47,515. This is the daily chart, and the resistance is at 48,000. This is quite big resistance, and the next resistance is 50,000, and if we break 50, we go to the promised lands of 59,000. I'm going to show you a bit of alpha right now, and I believe that BTC is replicating gold. Gold is currently at $2,023. If you look at the gold chart, it's made a triple peak, a quadruple peak. So what I think is going to happen is, I think BTC is going to go for the all-time high, and we're going to hit the all-time high, and then I think we're going to see a considerable pullback. I think we're going to carry on until May, and I think the Fed is going to start cutting during May. I think it's going to be a cyclical play as usual. Currently SPX is broken my target now, and it's at 5,000. It's broken my target completely. I did say this a long time ago that we're hitting 5,000. Stay tuned for my next target, and I'll let you know. Back to BTC again. So what I think is going to happen is, I think we're going to do a triple top. I think we're going to get to 69,000. Within May, I think we're heading to 69,000. Just before halvening. Halvening is approximately 63 days from now. So April. By April is we're going to get to the halvening, and I think we're going to get to the all-time new high by then. Ethereum price targets currently at $2,495. Let me show you the daily chart, and as I said, we've consolidated between this area for the meantime, and now we've broken out, and we're going to break out again and hit my target of 3,500. I've been very bullish with Ethereum, so play some longs. Some of my private members community have played some longs, and they've made a lot of money so far, so congratulations to them. BTC dominance, it's going back to this trend line, and it's going to be very important what happens at this trend line, and the trend line is at 55.27. so it's going to be very interesting when it gets here. Will it break above that trend line and continue on going higher? It didn't form a head and shoulders, and that was obviously invalidated, and now we're heading up higher. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens next, like I said. So if it's bullish for the dominance, what we need to see is we need to break above this trend line, go back, retest it, and go up further and higher. This could have just been a fake out. This whole thing here could have been a fake out. But before I end, I'm going to show you the M2 supply. So this is the M2 supply. So what is the M2 supply, you ask? We're going to find a definition, a Google definition. What is M2? M2 is the US Federal Reserve estimate of the total money supply, including all of the cash people have on their hand, plus all of the money deposited in checking accounts, saving accounts, and other short-term saving vehicles such as CDs, retirement account balances, and time deposited above $100,000 are omitted from M2. So this is all the money in circulation. Everything, including QE, including the money they print, just everything. And what we've done is we made a double bottom on the monthly chart and we're heading up higher. We're about to cross this blue line and it looks bullish. So in terms of assets are going to go up. China is going through a massive QE stimulus. They're trying to boost their economy and it's very, very bad over there. The government, the CCP, have decided to print trillions of dollars. As you can see, we formed a higher low and now we're about to go back up higher. And we haven't even started QE officially yet. So, and interest rates haven't been cut. So this is very bullish for assets and crypto in particular. Total 3, this is total market cap excluding BTC and ETH. So we formed a bullish pennant and now we are heading up higher. This is definitely a bull flag, 100%. This is definitely a bull flag right here. And now we're heading to my next target, which is approximately $605 million. Last but not least, we have your favorite mint layer. It's currently at 65 cents. It's hit my target of 53 cents and now we've made 3 massive green candles. As you can see, green candles here, 1, 2, 3. So a massive bounce on my support level, which was, it didn't close below my support level. So my support level was 53 cents. I told everyone, I did tell people, put your orders here, put your buys at 53 cents. So congratulations to everyone that bought at 53 cents. And now we've headed up to my resistance of 66 cents. It's wicked past there, headed to 70 cents, a whopping 20% today. From wick to wick, it's a whopping 24% today. So congratulations to everyone. This was a really positive sign and I think we're going to head up higher or we can consolidate along this range. We definitely made a fake out because we didn't close below 53 cents. We didn't close. So this is bullish. Congratulations to all my private members. And all of us had a lot of patience. Well done to everyone. Next stop is going to be at 76 cents. And then my next target is 87 cents. And then finally to the promised lands of $1, ladies and gentlemen, $1. And then we can go to higher peaks, which is going to be $5 is my medium to long term at the moment. And my final price prediction for mint layer, it's going to be a secret. I'm not going to tell you until later. That's it for now. I'm going to go enjoy my weekend. I hope you enjoy your weekend. Go outside, touch the grass, go get some fresh air, enjoy your weekend. You all deserved it. And I'll see you soon. That's me for now. Good morning, good evening, good night. Peace.